This seagull is picking at something and I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna go see what it is. I think it wants what's inside of it, but when I get out, I wonder if he's gonna pick it up and fly with it. You're like, what? What? Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Let's see. Oh, he's walking away. He's walking away like I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. What is it? What is he trying to get at? Oh, it's a fruit roll-up. That's a fruit roll-up. Oh. Okay. Let's see if he wants to come back and actually get some. Let's help him out. Where is he? He's right there. Let's help him out. Let's open it up. And he's still watching. Still watching. I don't even know how to open this thing. It's got all kinds of, it's very sticky. And now we're gonna just peel it off. I got most of it off. Unfortunately, my hands are all sticky now. I can't do anything. Now, let's see if he'll come. Uh-oh. Let's see if anybody wants it. It's very sticky. Oh, where is he? Ugh. Oh, somebody else got it. Oh no. How come you're not coming to eat it? Some more coming. He's just standing there like, now he's like, what? What? I want to get some to him. He's right there. Him or her, I don't know. But, well, why are you crying? Go ahead. You don't like it? You guys not eating it? That one's trying to eat it. That one's got 1 foot. That one doesn't have a foot. Oh no. See? Oh no. Poor baby. Aww. It's got 1 foot. I guess they didn't like it. They like how sweet it is, but he's trying to eat it. It's like, what is this? What is this? Oh, he's eating it. Huh. He liked it. Oh, we got a fight over there. Oh, finally got some. Finally got it. The one that was picking at the paper. Look at them eating fruit roll-ups. He's walking away with it. I don't know. Was he able to get it down? Oh, I just got a fruit roll up all over my screen. Oh no, somebody else took it. Oh no, he got robbed. Oh no. What is happening? There he goes. There goes the bandit. There goes the bandit. Oh man. Oh no, he's getting chased. Oh no. Well, somebody else got it. They obviously like it, but I think it's just a big chunk. They can't chew it, I guess. Oh, is he trying to move in? Working at it, working at it. It's too big. Well, that's today's video about a one-legged seagull and a fruit roll-up.